This is the video for Thursday, December 15th, 2022. In this video, I'm going to show price projections down from the January 4th high of 22, where I have the blue vertical line marking the day of the high. You see right next to the blue vertical line, I have two red trend lines which I used as measuring sticks. So as a trend develops along, you always want to look at the corrections inside the trend, because your first indication of a trend change would be when those ranges are exceeded, and this is what Gann called overbalancing, price overbalance. So you'll see on my chart here I have 6 lines of price projections. So whether I expected a high here or not is irrelevant, because if I didn't know when to expect a high, I could use the concept of overbalance to give me a gauge on when the trend is going to reverse. So if the trend were to continue up after this high was made, I should have made a reversal off my first two price projections. I should have reversed off one of those, because the first one was right at the range of the one correction, the blue line, and the second corrective range from the upswing was just between the blue line and the orange line. So when the price action exceeded this, it was an indication for a trend reversal. Now I want to point out what happened at the next 4 lines as the market moved down to the low. When we came to the green line, it held support and reversed the market. So the first level, direct hit, no close below that level, 1 wick below, 2 wicks exact touches before the market bounced back up. The market bounced back up, reversed, went down to the next level, made a wick, could not close below, and bounced up. Next time it hit that level, made a slight close below, bounced back to the green line, bounced back, tried to retest the low, and failed at the yellow level and went back up. Next line was the magenta line. So on that downswing that started at the end of March, we came down, got a direct hit, the wick went a little bit through, got a 4-day bounce, came back down, false break, retest of the low, another wick, and then a move back up to the yellow line. And then when the magenta line broke with this gap through, it went immediately to the red line level, and that was a pretty direct hit at that point there before we got into this upward move at that point. So this is one of the Plato calculations. This calculation was made off the all-time high, and to see when the trend may reverse, use the concept of overbalance.